Game Shakers presents What's That Noise? Number 1. Is it A, a flushing toilet, B, someone gargling water, or C, the speaker at a drive-thru restaurant?
If you guessed the flushing toilet, you're wrong. It's someone gargling water.
Number 2. Is it A, someone scratching an armpit, B, someone sniffing a cookie, or C, someone sanding some wood?
If you guess sanding some wood, that's wrong. That is definitely wrong. It's someone scratching their friend's armpit. Ew.
And number 3. Is it A, a cat getting its ears cleaned, B, a deflating balloon, or C, a child screaming?
If you guess the cat having his ears cleaned, guess again, it's a deflating balloon.
Thanks for playing What's That Noise? Let us know how you did in the comments. You can win a prize. You will not win a prize.